to my channel. My name is Glamour Ellen. If you're new here, welcome to my channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Guys, in this video, I am collaborating with my friend Shangie of Home Decor and Lifestyle. So, me and her, we are going to do a tablescape, which is a table for two. This is very challenging for me because I believe I done this once on Valentine's, and as you know, my table is long, so we'll see what I'm going to come up with. So the first one, it will be romantic table for two, and the second one, it will be the anniversary tablescape. I'm going to do a glam first, and the second one, it will be a modern farm. Everyone, here's Shangie's Decor's Lifestyle channel about.
Hi friends, this is Shangie of Shangie's Home Decor and Lifestyle. And what I do on this channel is I do tablescapes, flower arrangements, wreath making, and lifestyle living. I live here in San Diego, California, so I'll share my city with you as well as what I do here in my home. If you're interested in that type of content, please click subscribe. Bye friends.
So everyone, as you can see over here, I have two chairs there, and I'm using the mirror charger, came from Hobby Lobby. This one is 50% off, so what I did, I would like to make this one as a table runner. In this special tablescape, I will be using a very special dinnerware that it is a gift. And this one, it is Noritaki. This is a gift from my friend way back in Columbus, Ohio. And this is 70 years old plate. And this is from her mother. And unfortunately, she passed away. So I have the whole set with this. I have 37 pieces with this one. And the only one missing is the teapot. So I have the salad plate, the dinnerware or dinner plate, the appetizer, and I have the cup and saucer. I also gonna be using Z Gallery charger. Our theme in this tablescape, we are using the pink color, and on mine I'm going to make a twist, and I'm going to combine the colors of rose gold, copper, and pink, and the same thing with white color and also silver. Everyone, if you guys are not connected to my friend Shangie's Decor's Lifestyle channel, please do so. She has an amazing content and she is an amazing creator. She do a lot of tablescape, wreath making, flower arranging, and she also do lifestyle blog. Mostly her tablescape, she put a food on it, and it's really fun to watch. Welcome to my table number 1, and I hope you guys enjoy and get some inspiration about this creation. This tablescape is a little bit challenging for me because I'm not used to do a table for two. Shangie is really expert with this one, and we both challenge each other. So I hope you guys like what I did here. My flowers, they are real, and I put a fake there, which is this white and our greenery. So as you can see, I always combine the real flower with the fake, and they are look really beautiful. The coffee pot, I thrifted that. This one by itself, it was $89, and I paid $5 for it. That's the brand right here. The only thing I spend here is the real flowers. The rest, I already have this in my stash. So this tablescape, I shop from home. The candle holder, I thrifted this one from Goodwill, and it was 50% off, and it is rose gold. Once again, this tablescape is a high and low. Welcome to my style number 2, and I call this one Glam Modern Farmhouse Table for 2 Anniversary Tablescape. My bowl is thrifted. Goblets from Z Gallery.
Esta vez sentía que era eterno, tus besos fríos como el invierno, lo sé, pero tal vez estás con otro que no te quieres, pero yo te quisiera más que 1000 mujeres, tiene que doler para sanar y cerrar esta herida, y se siente vivir cuando no estás. Pero así es la vida, baby, tiene que doler para sanar y cerrar esta herida, y se siente vivir cuando no estás.
So guys, this is table for two. So as you can see, I did rearrange my table. So Steve and I, we can still see each other and we can still talk each other. Because if I'm going to put this both at the head of the table, we cannot see each other at all. This is used to be anniversary tablescape, table for two. So you need to see each other in order for you guys to talk. And I put wine both sides of the table. Everyone, please don't forget to check my friend Shangie Home Decor and Lifestyle channel. You guys will love it there, and I hope you connect with her. And if you like my videos, I hope you consider subscribing to my channel. Hit the bell twice so all the time I upload videos you will be notified. Guys, let me know what you think of this creation. Did I nailed it or failed it? Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye everyone. Be safe.